Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric rotary desk telephone. This is Connie's equipment from Ohio, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now this unit has some issues. We need to take the 4-prong plug and we're going to remove that and install a modular line port adapter so that it can plug into any modern jack, and that way we can save the original line cord that's on this unit. We have another issue at the handset cord that needs to be repaired, so we can take care of that issue. We also know that the rotary is very sluggish. So we want to go through the rotary. We want to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary. We also want to install a dial center card, something to the period of the telephone. Now we've troubleshooted a little bit, and we also know that the bell does not ring. So we want to go through the bell circuit, and we want to take care of that issue. We also want to go through the transmit and the receive, the network. We want to make sure that it's wired properly and that all the connections are tight. We're going to go through the entire telephone while it's in the shop, and we'll take care of any issues that we find. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and do some still pictures of this really cool telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with a repair of this really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkout, it's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier backed by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it. Press it one more time. And release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now we also want to mention the older style F1 transmitters that are in this type of telephone can cause a little static interference once in a while. This one has been troubleshooted and this one is not too bad, so it really doesn't need to be changed at this time. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Monday, July 2nd. The current time, 1:33 p.m. and the temperature 86 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Connie and they can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. And you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.